All right, tonight we're going to be covering a topic around the psychology of colors. Buckle up, stay tuned. We'll talk about changing your color backgrounds and why. All right, so we've got some dramatic colors going on here. Hopefully you guys can see the gigantic yellow going on over here on the right. You might be going, why on earth would you have yellow right here? Well, I'm emphasizing the point that I'm going to make here tonight on the psychology of color. Now, in our room, I recommend that people change their background colors even when they're using a simulated account, that you need to change this as though it is live. You can see right here, it's very, very bright to me. Let me zoom out here on, let me press this button here. Not sure if this really, yeah, a little bit. You can tell a little bit. I think some of my colors on my video are off here, but you'll notice how bright these strips are over here on the right. Now mine just is very large. You might be on a 55-inch big screen TV like I recommend for you guys to have, so that it's the equivalent of having 4 monitors. It's like the going to the New York Stock Exchange and all those monitors that they've got, so they have visibility into what's going on in the other markets related to the one that they're trading. That is important. Those are the things that we are simulating with that here, even when we are trading in our own accounts. So logging down into here is an individual instrument here on the NASDAQ over here on the right being yellow. Again, basically very simple. I encourage our members to not have this shining beacon here, although I know here's the catch-22 on this. You get this safety feeling of, oh, okay, I'm only in SIM over here, I'm good. Psychologically, a lot of people who've been around the markets for a long time know what this is like. You have this capacity to do things that you maybe would or would not do in SIM versus in live. All of a sudden you get a little bit nervous, you're more hesitant on things. We're trying to eliminate that in our trading. We want to teach and train like we're going to be doing something live. So I encourage our members, as one of the things for the psychological components of trading in live versus SIM, is to eliminate one of them. And one of them is this big color thing over here on the right. It is more noticeable than you would imagine. Your brain kind of has this locking in on things like this, and this will give you this feeling of cushion. You kind of got this nice little envelope of, hey, I'm okay, I'm just in SIM, I've got this, donut around me. I'm picturing being in the ocean. I got this nice little floaty donut, got the water wings going on, and everything's going to be fine. Again, trading is very dangerous and difficult. You are going to need to get everything towards everything you can towards winning. So I'm going to show you guys how to change this. We're going to go into our tools on our control panel. So pull up your control center up here, going to click on tools, hit in the drop down on options. Once we go into options, this window will pop up. On the left hand side, click on trading, and right here you will see this simulation color. I've got it bright yellow right now just to emphasize it. When you are first coming into NinjaTrader, it is probably going to be a gray color. Yours probably looks something like this. Might be a little dim gray, I believe, but what you want to do is set this to transparent. Okay, we want this to be completely clear and be the same as it will be when we are live. This is one of those psychological components. So we'll go ahead and click on this, transparent, hit apply. Now this will be the same color as when you are live. So this is much better in my opinion. I teach all of our members to make sure and do this. I believe it is important for folks who are coming through our crew to be practicing like they are going to be playing in the real game. That is just one tip here tonight. Make sure you change those colors, and when you're taking screenshots in the room, post those over there into the room. If you have any questions around that or want to talk about it, come see me, drop it down in the comments down below. I'll catch you in the next one.